We are not your average family. My name is Rachel. You know me as Yoga Girl. This is my husband, Dennis, and this little ray of sunshine is our baby girl, Lea Luna. We live in the Caribbean island of Aruba. Welcome to our channel. Good morning, universe. It's crazy early in the morning. I can't fucking believe how early I'm awake every day. It's kind of insane. Today, I'm gonna show you what we eat in a day. So you're gonna get to tag along from the moment we wake up till the moment we go to bed. And I'm gonna show you exactly what's on our plate. What I eat, what Dennis eats, what the baby eats. So it's bound to be a pretty delicious episode. Let's go eat. Why is it that every morning, no matter what I do, like our house is always a mess? I don't know how that's possible. I'm gonna make some hot water for tea or lemon water or apple cider vinegar water or I don't know, I haven't decided, but hot water. Drinking hot water with lemon in the morning, it's not just some sort of healthy, trendy fad thing. It is an ancient Ayurvedic technique that helps to flush your system every single morning. So consider it like a little mini detox from the night before. Of course, lemon has a ton of vitamin C, but it's really cleansing and detoxifying. Because I'm a mom and I have to multitask. I like to kind of prep what I can prep before the baby wakes up, because the moment the baby wakes up, things get a little crazy. So I'm gonna prep our smoothie. We drink a green smoothie every day. I'm gonna prep it, and then when she wakes up, I'm gonna let her press the button on the Vitamix. For today's smoothie, we're gonna have some kale because we have that in the fridge. Whatever greens we have is good. 2 local mangoes, a banana, a kiwi, and then I'm gonna add some superfood powders and stuff. Let's get the baby. Good morning, Angel baby. Good morning.
Kaya.
Hey. Yes. Let's put your clothes on. Nu kommer Kevin. Hallå. Killa, wanna go outside? Go outside. And what is that?
Doya.
Lemon. You wanna try some? You don't like it? Samira? No! That's where that goes. I'm so glad you know that. Powder. Frozen. Wow! Cheers. High five. Mwah. Love it. We're gonna make some goddamn pancakes. We don't have pancakes for breakfast every single day, but we'll choose between sometimes oatmeal, sometimes toast, sometimes we'll make just kind of coconut yogurt with a big fruit salad. It's a little bit different every day, depends on how much time we have and what we feel like. But pancakes are our favorite. Oh. Oh. This was breakfast. It's been a hectic morning. The baby has had 3 pancakes. She eats the same amount of breakfast as me and Dennis, which is kind of crazy. We're gonna take a nap and we'll see you for lunch. Bye. And now we're at the studio. Can you say hi, Island Yoga? Hey. We come to the studio to eat lunch most days, so we thought we would show you what we normally have for lunch, but cooked at Nourish Cafe. And it's kind of different. Kind of like our breakfast is different. We don't always eat pancakes, but it's the best. Store Lea Luna, Lea Luna, Lea Luna. Let's go inside. Go. Loonies, is there a special today? Okay, so I think today we'll do the Warrior 2 smoothie. I'll do a One Happy Island juice. Let's do a tofu scramble, a goddess green salad, and what do you want to eat?
I would like the special of the day.
What did the pig say? What's the grisen? Carefully with these, okay? Försiktig. Alfa. Not a big tree. What are you doing? Don't you know Can you do a down dog? We might have over-ordered, which is awesome because it means we have snacks for later. This is a goddess salad. It has roasted chickpeas and strawberries and a homemade sweet onion dressing and little vegan bacon bits and mushrooms and greens, and it's awesome. This is the Dennis sandwich, which is a sandwich I did not enjoy when it came on the menu, but it's the best sandwich we have. I don't know what I was thinking, not loving it from the start. It's fresh bread, not toasted, with onion, vegan cheddar, tomato, and lettuce, and spicy mayo. And then the baby always has a side of hummus because she loves hummus. She's eating tofu scramble. It comes with a pico de gallo. Aside from the tofu scramble, Dennis is having the vegan lox bagel, which is a like salmon-like lox. And we have a green juice, a turmeric, lime, pineapple juice, and a smoothie. Dude, this is a lot of food. So that was our lunch. We will see you guys soon. Hi, and we are back. It's been a pretty long day at the office. I feel exhausted. I've been wearing yoga pants all day. I feel like I need to change out of my yoga pants into new yoga pants so that I know that I'm home. The baby just woke up from her nap. We're gonna go get her out of her crib and then eat some snacks. Let's go. Go inside. You wanna go say hi to the baby? Go inside. Go, go, go. Hi!
Yeah.
Mwah. Yeah. When the baby's woken up from her nap around 3:30, I will give her some fruits, some veggies maybe, depending on what we have in the fridge. If we have leftovers for lunch or from lunch, I might give her a little bit of that. I'm gonna give her some avocado. She loves it as is, just eating it sliced, and then maybe a little bit of yogurt and some orange. Some milk. So technically the food that she eats right after her nap, it serves as a distraction so that I can cook something for dinner or bake something. I'm gonna make some banana bread now because we have a bunch of overripe bananas. I don't know about you guys, but I'm exhausted. My toddler has been shrieking all day and I'm gonna take a break while this banana bread bakes. I'm gonna roll on my mat and get some actual yoga in, and then we'll check back on our banana bread and meet back for dinner. So, see you later. After yoga, we dip in the pool and we get some of that avocado and olives off our face. Bada i poolen. God damn it! Ah! Okay, this is done. How you know when it's done? If you poke it with a fork, it kind of bounces back pretty slowly. And if you put the fork in the middle, it should come out clean. Cover that with a towel and put some clothes on. So in a case of emergencies, when she gets super cranky, we set up a cozy corner. You're gonna watch some Peppa Pig eat some banana bread. Peppa Pig is a lifesaver.
Mr. Scarecrow doesn't want carrots, right?
Life. Okay, I have a little bit of a headache and I'm kind of tired and I kind of want to have a glass of wine. We're gonna make chili for dinner. How often do we eat chili?
Once a week? Twice a week?
Yeah.
Nah, once a week.
At least once a week, sometimes twice a week. It's a staple. I make it the same every time. Dinosaur! I'm gonna make some guacamole. There's nothing better than eating guacamole while you cook. I feel like the baby's kind of hungry and chili, I'm not like blaming anyone, but the chili feels like it's gonna take a little longer. So I'm gonna give her the leftover tofu from lunch and some potato wedges and she gets to eat them in front of Peppa Pig. Hashtag fucking real life.
Is it the end of the month?
Why?
Because I have your salary right here.
He does this. He has this insane sense of humor that just, you have a library of jokes that you pull out when it's convenient.
Here you go.
I have a joke. Are you ready? You ready? Come on, Dennis. Chop chop.
That's
Wasn't that funny? That was funny.
cultural inappropriate. Okay, I'm putting it in.
Go in
That's what she said.
So as you can tell, the chili is pretty perfect. We could have simmered this easily another 20 minutes, but
Or 3 days.
Or 3 days. But we are hungry. Yeah, then. We've been jumping off. Dad. This turned into a pretty damn amazing dinner. We have banana bread waiting for dessert. The baby is eating and eating and eating. She loves this chili. Just a reminder, you don't have to cook this less spicy or anything. I just add extra sour cream to hers before she eats it, and she loves it. Like, she's gonna finish this whole bowl for sure. And we have banana bread later, which is exciting. So thank you for tagging along for literally every single thing we eat in a day. That was kind of crazy to show you guys that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to check out the recipes for all these amazing things we cooked today, so the pancakes from this morning, the banana bread, the chili, the links are coming up right here. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. That's important. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.